Hi friends! If you've seen my videos before, you've noticed that for paellas we're using a lot of stock. And stock is the main tool to enrich your rice with flavor, to enrich your paella with flavor. That's why it's so important. And you have two options when you're cooking paella. You can buy your stock or you can cook it by yourself, which is much better. So here we're going to cook seafood stock for seafood paella or any seafood dish you like. Our stock is going to be super flavorful as we're going to use a lot of seafood and a lot of vegetables. So let me explain you. As you can see, I have some things prepared. And first of all, starting with mussels. I have mussels. I steamed them before and they looked super beautiful. You see a lot of mussels juice. Description, how to see mussels you can find under my video. And then about vegetables. I have, so I took this type of tomato, but you can take any ripe tomato. Then I roasted them for half an hour, 20 minutes, half an hour in the oven with 2 cloves of garlic. Yeah, here we go. Then I took a set of vegetables. This one for soup, the simplest one I could find. Here I have carrot, celery, then parsnip, turnip, and then I add a bit of onion there, and then I roasted them, and I've got this. You see? You're roasting those vegetables about 5 minutes with some olive oil, and 5 minutes, this is full enough. They will stay inside semi-raw, but this is not raw because we are going to cook them later. So then, the most important, seafood, of course. So we have here, first of all, monkfish. So it's not a secret. The main ingredient for any fish soup is a head of fish. And here we're going to use head of monkfish. You see, I have here beautiful head of huge monkfish. Looks like this. You see? Smiling, super friendly fish. Yeah? And then but basically if you don't have monkfish, you can take head of any white fish. Like imperator fish, like merluza, hake, or yeah, place, whatever you find, whatever you like. Then we are going to use some prawns, then some mussels, and we are not going to boil them directly like in classical soup. We are going to roast them before. So I roasted here. You see, I roasted head of monkfish and then heads of different other fishes and prawns in oven for half an hour. So I've got this, yeah. And now we are going to put all our ingredients together in a huge pot and to put it to boil. So let's see. So I've got this huge bowl. First we are going to add our again to show you, meat of our fishes, our heads, and this liquid that you can get after roasting your fishes, your langoustines. You can use any fish. You can use not only prawns, but you can use just heads of prawns. And then this liquid that I have here, I'm going to use it because it's super flavorful as well. Yeah, here we go. So this is inside. Yeah, this is first. Then we will add our vegetables. Make some space. Beautiful fish will stay here. Yeah, here we are going to add these vegetables. Yeah. Then our tomato. But it looks like a lot, but you should have a lot of ingredients to get really flavorful, rich stock. So this is, here we go. Then spices, of course. So about spices, we're going to use bay leaves, of course. Here, yeah, pump. Then this is sweet red pepper, dried. Looks like this. The name is Negra. Just in case if you will try to find this one, so just one of them here inside. When you buy this, it looks like this. So Negra, yeah. Then saffron, of course. Pinch of saffron. Our Spanish saffron, considered to be the best one. Saffron, we are going to add. So pinch is going to be. It's smell delicious. So like this is going to be enough, and then before to put it, you can crush it into powder just with your fingers. So doing just like this. The saffron. And now water. I'm going to put about 2 liters of water. A bit more. I'm going to cook fish stock for, I think, for 4 or 5 people. And then I've got some fresh mussels. So I left them just to put like this. You see, they are huge. Just wanted to show you the size. They're super huge. And they are super delicious. You'll see that. So mussels. And then we're going to simmer it for about half an hour to boil it with low heat. Yeah. So and then after half an hour, you will get this. I did this before. So here our beautiful stock looks beautiful, smells delicious. Just wanted to show you. This looks like this, yeah? Now what we need, we are going to filter it, keeping just liquid. I will do this in this bowl. So we're going to filter it. It has rich orange yellow color, mainly because of heads of prawns, langoustine, and then spices, saffron, of course. So here we go. This pot was smaller than I'm doing now. So we have about here, about 1.5 liters. So here we go. And now, to enrich, by the way, you paid attention that I didn't add any salt, because we're going to enrich our stock with mussels juice. So these steamed mussels that we see before, we're going to add just juice inside our stock. We have a lot of juice. Steaming mussels, I add inside just about 50 milliliters of white wine, and that's it. And you see, I've got about 1 cup of stock, of mussel stock. Yeah, and now, so here we go. This is our beautiful fish stock, but we're going to make it even better. So far it's delicious, but we can do it better. So what we're going to do, we're going to use mussels meat. and we will make mussels puree, and we will enrich our stock with mussels puree. So let's see. I'm going to separate mussels meat. You see, mussels, they're huge. So I'm going to take just meat. I'm going to do it fast and to make it right. And we will blend it. You see, it's huge. Look at my hand. It's huge. Okay. This is optional, but really recommend you to do it. Okay, the one is open when you are cooking, and some of mussels still closed, so you are going to throw it away. It could be that. It just means it could be that. So here we go. If I can help, I'm going to taste one of them. Mussels are delicious. These mussels coming from Galicia, and they are from rocks, from wild environment, and flavors amazing. I bought them in our famous Bukeria market, which is the best for seafood. So here we go, and then now we're going to blend our mussels. I'm going to take a blender. You see, and blend them. See, just going to show you amount of mussels I've got. Like half a minute, I think, will be enough. Here we go. Here we have our beautiful mussels puree, which looks like this. Looks like this. And we are going to add this puree in our stock. So here we go. We are ready for our paella. Let me taste it, and I will let you know how is it. Of course, you need to mix it up, this puree. Again, saying again, you don't need salt because you are cooking seafood and you are getting salt in a natural way from the sea. So here we go. Smell is beautiful and flavor is amazing. Here we are. I'm going to cook my paella. See you later. Best wishes from Barcelona. Ciao.